What is up, guys? So right now I'm heading over to that was a little loud, sorry. So I'm heading over to Efren's house right now. We're going to record some better audio, hopefully for you guys, because that night when we recorded everything, it was a little rough. We were tired. It was a long day, so I'm picking up Efren here. We're gonna head on out. We're gonna head back to that same location and do some better audio shots. I got my equipment with me, so it should make a big difference. So we'll see how that goes. Right now I'm waiting on him. I don't know what he's doing. It's taking a while. He should be coming out any minute. I got always wasting my time. Always wasting my time, Efren. I mean, I did text him like 20 seconds ago, so. But who knows? We'll see. He'll be out in a second. So, still waiting on him. Yep. He says he's coming. He'll be out in a minute. Or he said he'll be out in a second. I think his second is like 10 minutes. Do you guys have friends like that? Comment down below. Oh, there he is. Finally coming. I'm telling everybody how you're making me wait, man.
Dude, I was oh,
Put him on the spot. Alright. So I told you what we're doing. We're heading out there. Right? Go get some better audio.
We're gonna go and get in trouble.
The audio was kind of crap, so I'll be honest.
You know what? I'm waiting to hear it because your car shut off.
Oh yeah, shut off. So, but so we'll get some audio. We'll go to the place. We'll get set up here. Sorry.
P. Diddy.
Sponsor around.
That's that P. Diddy water, the Mark Wahlberg water.
What?
Probably get a sponsor.
Come on, Mark Wahlberg, P. Diddy, sponsor us.
Yes.
You know you want to. All right, so we're gonna head on out. Cars and auto mode stays off pretty long. The AC is running. I like that. You have the AC on, and the car's still stopping. It's been for a while now since I showed up. So
Leanna's car, the Malibu, it does the same thing, but as soon as you turn on the AC or the heater, it'll turn on. Except that one's whack.
Malibu's most wanted.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll get back to you when we get to our area. So, all right, see you guys in a bit. Yeah, go ahead. Give it a couple quick revs. Just do like a couple full, real quick bleeps. Okay, so hopefully that turns out a little better. That should work. Okay, so we're going to take you on for a little ride. The lovely scenic view of my town. And we're going to help you get some audio sounds from inside the car. Right now it's in sport mode. I'll leave it set to automatic. But so you can hear the little bit of rumble there. And then once it switches gear, we're at 1,000 RPMs. It almost disappears. I don't even think I can't hear it with my ears.
I can't hear anything right now.
So what we'll do, there's a freeway on ramp, so we're gonna cruise up over there. We'll get on the freeway. I'll leave it in sport mode, and we'll just cruise down the freeway and get you guys some good audio and see how that sounds for you. About 40 miles an hour right now. Get up to freeway speed here, 60. Alright, we're at 67. I can hear it a little bit. There's a little bit of drone.
It's not as bad as the STI though.
No, that was real bad. You can still have a normal conversation in here. But we'll give you a few seconds to listen to the audio real quick since you guys were requesting that. Right now we're at 68 miles an hour, just under about 1,700 RPMs.
And we have the mic pointed to the back seat, so you get a better idea of what it sounds like back there. That feels good. Y'all can be envious of me because I get to ride in it.
Alright, so I think we got enough footage for you guys. We will edit this. I'll try and get this up here in the next day or two. What day are we at right now? Thursday?
Thursday.
March 1st.
Oh, 1st of March.
1st of March. So I'll try and get, if I don't have time tonight, it'll definitely be up tomorrow. Not like it matters. Because you're going to be watching this anyway, so I don't know why I'm saying that. But yeah, so hopefully it sounds good. If not, you'll never see this footage because we won't put it up. So, you know, we'll go from there.
If you see it, it's because it was good.
It was good, yeah. So that'll give you a better idea. You know, every different person likes different sounding exhausts. But there is drone. So I said on the forum, I said on my comments, there was hardly any drone at all, but I say there's a little more than I thought there was. So hopefully, again, this will give you a good idea in comparison as to what it's going to sound like if you get it on your own car. And as far as I know, they only have this for this engine, not the 2.0, so it's only for the 3.3 V6. So. All right, guys, until next time, safe travels.